Alright, here we go. This is mini number 2. We got Mike, Justin, Eric, and Chris. Thanks again, guys, for getting in on it. This one here, it's the top spot, gets 4 spots in the main. So this is the big one. You want to take this one for sure. So good luck to you all. So let's get started. Alright. Dice roll is 6. Alright, here we go, guys. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. And the winner is Chris Atkinson. Wow, bud, you really cleaned up on these minis. Congratulations. Sorry, everybody else. We'll probably have another mini or 2 to try and get this filled. So let's keep going and try and get it filled and award this jersey. It's really nice. So thanks everybody for playing. Let's post this. Done. Congrats, winner. And let's open that up. Whoop. Copy that. All right, thanks everybody. We'll see you soon. Thanks.